plenty of sales, but your bank account's dry as the Sahara Desert at the end of the month? You are not alone, my friend. I have seen this across industries, across business size, across business ages. This is something that affects a lot of businesses. My name's Sarah Bryson. I'm a CFO, and I'm all about clarity, control, and killer cash flow. So what causes this? Why is it that you can have all these sales, you've got happy clients, and you got no money to show for it? Well, it's always going to come down to one of two things. Number one, an issue with pricing, and number two, an issue with timing. Pricing's pretty easy, right? This is some low-hanging fruit. If we are pricing and then not checking and adjusting and updating our pricing regularly, then those costs to produce what we sell are just going to keep creeping up, and they're going to be eating away at our profit. So we need to make sure that we are pricing for all of our costs plus some, and keep revisiting your pricing. Don't set it and forget it. That's not how pricing works. You got to stay on top of it. But let's assume you are staying on top of it. You know it is fantastic. Bee's knees perfection. Well, hey, now we know for sure that it's a timing issue. And timing means we're looking at the timing of money coming into your business and flowing back out of your business. This is going to be, for example, when you make that sale, how long does it take from the sale until the money's in your bank account? Take a look at that. How long is it? What's happening in between? What maybe isn't happening in between but should be? Make it easy for them to pay you. Make sure you're following up. Do nice short payment terms. If you do big projects, maybe you do, decking, it's reasonable to ask for 50% up front to cover your initial costs and then 50% on completion. That's totally normal. And that can be the single thing that makes a huge difference and fixes a lot of timing issues for many businesses. Another thing to look at is bills. You don't necessarily have to pay a bill as soon as it hits your desk. Take a look at your payment terms, see if you can pay it later. Give a call to your vendors. Hey, can we get better terms? Instead of net 15, could we do net 30? Maybe net 45. These are different ways that you can take a little bit longer to pay something. Maybe you use a credit card. That's another option. You can pay a bill with a credit card, and then you get those points, and then you pay your credit card. That can be useful. Just make sure that you pay off those credit cards, my friends. Don't you get sassy with those things. You pay them off. Other issues, inventory. Do you have a lot of money tied up in inventory, and it's just a matter of you're not selling the items as quickly, and so it's taking longer, but you've already spent the money? Or, hey, is it an issue with the ordering process for inventory? Is it taking too long to get in? Do you not have a system for how to order, when to order? Do you have an issue with your sales tax payments? I had a client who they would be doing okay, and then boom, they would suddenly have no money because they forgot about the sales tax payments that they had to make. So it was a really simple fix for them. They put it in an account that they didn't look at very often. And then when it was time to pay sales tax, they just took that out of that account because they weren't seeing the money, they weren't spending the money. And these are just all the different things that you want to be looking at when it comes to timing. So really pay attention to the timing when money is coming into your business and when it's going out of your business. Chances are it's both of these. There's probably some combination of these two, and fixing one is going to fix the other. But if you can fix both, that's going to be fantastic, right? Take a look at your business, figure out whether you've got the pricing, the timing, or the combo issue going on, and then just fix it, right? Easier said than done, perhaps, but I have faith in you, my friends. I know you can do it. So thank you so much for spending a little time with me today, listening to me ramble a bit. If you would like to do a little self-diagnosis on your own business, then I've got a little freebie down in the description. Feel free to grab it and take a look at it, see if it can help your business. It is 10 questions all CEOs must be able to answer. And if you can't answer them, guess what? You've just found some things you can fix in your business to make yourself even more successful. Thank you again for joining me. I look forward to talking to you again in the future. Go forth and profit, everybody.